In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spacedesk in Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up Spacedesk in a Windows 10 or 11 PC is simple. This Windows 10 or 11 PC will be used as your main display, and it is going to be either mirrored or extended to other devices running the Spacedesk viewer. So visit the official website and click on the download option at the top right. Like I said before, you will download the driver on the main display or device, and the viewer will be downloaded on the additional ones that you will be extending the main display to. So let's say, for example, you have an iPad, you download it from the App Store. If you have an Android tablet, you download it from the Play Store, and so on. Once you have both the driver and the viewers downloaded, you will connect them together like so. Open the driver on your Windows 10 or 11 PC and make sure that it is enabled. With this on, you can change some optional settings here. Most of these are personal preference, but one that is very important is going to be the communication interface that you use. So click on any of these. The main way of connecting your devices together is going to be through a Wi-Fi connection. So if you enable local area network, this will make the program work if all devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. So the device where the driver console is running and where the viewer is running. If you prefer, you can also use a USB cable. So for this one, you will be connecting the device where this driver is running with the device where the viewer is running with a USB cable. So enable them as you see fit. Once you have them good to go, make sure that you set up the viewer on your other device as well. So in this example here, through the Play Store on an Android device. When you open the tool, if both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and you chose to use local area network, it is already going to appear here and you can tap on it to begin sharing. Alternatively, plug in a USB cable and then tap the USB icon. Now you should be able to go over to the display settings in Windows and choose the option to extend the displays. You can also mirror them instead, and you can access these settings quickly by pressing Windows plus P to change the options of projection. You can also change the positioning of the extended monitor and place it anywhere that you want in relation to the main one. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.